chased by a bear. We're lost in the forest. We need help.
It's day 2. We can't find any food. All we see is some mushrooms. Or what is this? Some
Bark.
fungi looking soft plant food.
Send help.
Update. We lost the others. We don't know where we're going.
Are there any bears?
Lost in the wilderness. We don't know where anyone is.
Brian, Jenny! Where are you? Did you find water? We need H2O. There's a bear!
I'm trying to reach the highest point in the forest so I can see where and how far I am from civilization. I need to find humanity as quickly as possible. Wow, hell of a view from up here, but it's not helpful. This is not the tallest tree in this forest. I'm gonna have to find another one before I can figure out where to go. This shelter here will not work. It is not on the top of a hill. Accumulation of water and animals will find this too easily. We've made it to the high ground. It is important that this is where we find our shelter. This hut is more suitable for our survival. The previous hut we found was down a hill where water could accumulate. Up here we have a better vantage point of our surroundings and just a safer place to camp out. I found the biggest stick to be the base of our shelter. I will lay this down and make a teepee out of other smaller trees, but this one's the biggest.
When you're in the sun, your body experiences evaporative cooling. When the sweat evaporates off your skin to cool your body off, but you may also become dehydrated.
The clothing around our head to keep the sun out of our eyes and face because we don't want to get sunburned. Since your body is made out of 65% water, you need it for many bodily purposes, including chemical reactions, metabolism, regulation of body temperatures, and homeostasis. When looking for a fresh source of water, you want to find a moving stream, because this best reduces the sediments that you will consume.
Your bodily glucose levels will be stored for about 24 to 48 hours, but due to energy uses in the forest, mostly they will be gone by 6 hours. Now, not only will you be hungry, but your body will be entering a state of ketosis. This is where the ketone bodies in your system will be elevated.
It is most important that you don't panic. You need to stay calm.
Oh my god, there's a bug on you!
The release of epinephrine will trigger your fight or flight response. It is important that you stay in the same spot. It's essential that you make fire so you can boil your water and cook your food.
Do you need help?
I don't think Ryan
Dig a shelter. We finished building it. Now we can